everyone, it is Tuesday. It is 10:24 in the morning on Tuesday. The market hasn't even been open an hour, and I've gotten what I want. We have gotten an over $3 entry into the trade of the week, the January 20th, 4,005, 4,000 calls. It's $2 at risk on a $5 spread with a potential of 150% should we close below 4,000 on Friday, which is what I'm looking for. Bring you over here onto the chart. And again, when you draw your trend lines, you have to be accurate to the exact minute, to the exact price if you really want to use your trend lines. Here's our trend line right here, and this is where we've hit. We've hit it. Where that comes from, zoom it out, is right there. That's your tops. We've hit this multiple times. I can pull it out just a little bit deeper. Nope, that's not going to work. That's too short. Here, we hit it here in August. We hit it here in November. We hit it here in December, and we're hitting it here now. Now, as you can see, I've got a 6-hour time frame, and it looks as if it's 4,200. Come back onto your 1 minute chart. There you go, right to the pivot, to the exact penny where this falling trend line is. Now, where we've moved from, again, just showing you where we've come from, coming off of that December low, here's where we're at. And not to, try and emphasize chart patterns like I've said before, but here you go. There's your throw over. And what you'd be looking for, like I said before, is a throw over here and then a roll down to the downside, somewhere into this 3,900 area, 3,875. That's the maximum downside that I'm looking for this week. I'd like to get down there faster rather than later. And down there, I would definitely be looking at it for being a buy opportunity as we head into big tech earnings and as we go into the FOMC meeting. Again, trend line way up here when you put it on the hour chart, put it on the 1 minute chart. We're dead smack right on it. Again, not a trend line guy, never have been, never will be, but I do respect them when they are the big ones and you start to see them show up on your 1 minute chart. Catch you guys in the chat.